Right. This is ammonium ion, NH4 plus. The central atom is nitrogen. So therefore X equals to 4 plus 0, 4 sp3 hybridization. The next one is borate ion. Boron is the central atom. Number of sigma bonds 3 plus lone pair of electrons 0. X equals to 3. The hybridization is what? sp2. 23 is ICl2 plus. Iodine is the central atom. So therefore the number of sigma bonds around these 2 plus iodine belongs to which one? Iodine belongs to 7th group in the periodic table. 7 minus 2, 5 and loss of 1 electron. So therefore 4 by 2. Here number of lone pairs equals to 7 minus 2 by 2, it equals to 5 and 1 electron is lost due to this positive charge. So loss of 1 electron here by 2. So therefore 4 by 2, 2 lps. So here is 2, that is x equals to 4. So therefore which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Then 24 PCl6 minus now x equals to 6, then the next one is IF3. Central atom is iodine. Then number of sigma bonds equals to 3. So 7 minus 3, 4 by 2, 2. So therefore this equals to 5 sp3 dehybridization. So therefore it is V shape, T shape. Which shape it is? T shape. Then 25 ICl3, same T shape, hybridization is what? sp3d. T shape and hybridization is what? sp3d. Then 26 is HCO3 minus the central atom is carbon. So therefore C double bond O minus, this is what? OH. This is bicarbonate ion. Number of sigma bonds equals to 3. Number of lone pairs no, 0. So therefore it is 3. sp2 hybridization with shape, planar shape. 27 is NO2 plus. This is known as nitronium ion. What is this? Nitronium ion. This is double bond O, then it is losing a pair of electron. then carries which charge? Positive charge. Which charge? Positive charge. Now this is like this. Okay, so 1 sigma, second sigma, third sigma, number of sigma bonds equals to 3, number of sigma bonds equals to 3, so therefore plus, is there any lone pair? So nitrogen belongs to fifth, 5 minus, number of bonds formed 5, no lone pair of electrons, so therefore it belongs to sp2 hybridization. Then 28, nitrate ion, this is N double bond O, coordinate covalent bond, then negative charge. Which charge? Negative charge present on oxygen. Okay, number of sigma bonds x equals to 1, 2, 3 plus nitrogen belongs to fifth group, around bond is also 5, no lone pair of electrons, 0, so therefore it also belongs to which hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Then 29 sulfate ion minus, here is also minus, this is known as SO4 minus 2. So 1 sigma, second sigma, third sigma, fourth sigma, x equals to 4. Is there any lone pair of electron? 0, because sulfur belongs to 6, around bonds also 6, no lone pair of electrons, x equals to 4, sp3 hybridization. Which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Then 30, carbon dioxide, C double bond O is a linear molecule, central atom is carbon, x equals to 2 sigma bonds, number of lone pairs 0, because carbon belongs to fourth group in the periodic table, 4 bonds around 8, so it equals to 2. sp hybridization.